Welcome to the Bussano Mobility application. I'm going to preview the app for you today. This is the home screen that the user will be presented with upon first opening the app. There's a button here that Get Started. We'll go ahead and click that. First choice is the locations that are available, so we will choose a location. Right now I'm clicking on Bethpage. And this opens up a picture, the address, as well as a bunch of different options that are available for the user to use. The very top option here says I'm call service 24/7. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Right here there's basically a disclaimer that says you can call for free. However, in the event we have to come out after hours, there would be an additional charge for that. Upon agreeing, they can click the button that says agree and call, or they can click back if they don't like that, and this can certainly be changed to your liking. So right now I'll click agree, and it's got a phone number in there, but at that point they could certainly press the call button and call. So the software does have the capability to open the phone directly and make calls. Additionally, on this page here, I went back. We've got regular hours service phone. They could touch that and call your guys' regular daytime service line. Toll-free number, service email. If they click service email, this will open up their built-in email client that will then email the corresponding person at the correct location. I'll get into where the program gets its data after we're done going through the app. Hours, they could click hours, and this gives the current hours that are available. Get a map. If we click get a map, this is it's going to searching for my current location, as well as it's going to drop a pin at your guys' location, which this happens to be the Bethpage. From here now we could say get directions. My location, and we'll say go. Okay, so it says that I am 1,267 miles away, 23 hours. I click the map, and this is going to depart my current location, and is going to take me all the way across the country right over to you guys. So when the customer is done looking at the map, they can just hit their back button and it'll bring them right back into the browser, or into the app, excuse me. Request appointment is the next option. Right here they can input their name, they could input their phone number, their email, and then it asks what is the problem. Click this and it gives them a list of common reasons they would want to come into your facility. We'll just say preventative maintenance. Choose a date. We're going to say November. We'll say we want to come in on November 30th in mid-afternoon. And additionally here they could put in a bunch of additional notes if they'd like, and then they can click the send button and it sends an email to the current service email that's been input. So they can certainly request appointment right from their app. The next one is company directory. So right here we can click on company directory, and this is a list of all the current employees. And I'm going to click on Dan Bussano. We'll click here, and your picture would be there in the event your picture were available, as well as your tagline, your title, office phone, mobile phone, and these options are all available if they're available. So in the event the mobile phone were not input, I happen to have just a testing phone number in there right now, but in the event that were not available, it would not list those options. Again, they can email you directly, they can get hours, all of that right within the directory. And again, now this is the list of the employees for the Bethpage location. If we wanted the Mamaroneck location, we would have to choose that location in the previous step. website, we can have it pull directly open, take the customer to the website. So it's loading on my phone right now. So right here we've got the complete website right on my mobile device. I'm back at the app now. Facebook, they can visit you guys on Facebook right from within their mobile Facebook app. I'm just going to pinch zoom here and you'll see this is your guys' Facebook site. Ability Voice blog. I've integrated in some reading material. The Ability Voice blog is an always updated blog that would provide the customer some reading material in the event they're bored. So this is basically the same data that is going to be found at your Ability Voice blog on your guys' website. So that is how that works. Additionally here, we could click on this location picture and we could certainly look at the larger picture. Additionally, everything is set up to work when you rotate the phone, so the entire app will work whether it's in landscape or portrait view. So now let's look at Mamaroneck. If you remember the directory, we'll go down here to the company directory now, and you'll see there's only 4 people here, so the directory is location specific. Let's see here again, we can click on this picture and get a larger one. Oh, I closed it there. So that's this application and the features that are in there so far. Additional features could certainly be added. Things like van inventory could certainly be added. A product catalog, pulling all the data from your online store. So this by no means is all that can be done. Really, the sky's the limit with whatever you would like developed. Now, where is this application getting its data? And to find that out, I'm going to go to your website, and I'm going to go to the very bottom here, and I'm going to click on the on the key to log in. And let's see, I'm going to logging into the website here. Now the data all comes from down on the bottom here. If you click on settings, you'll see these 2 locations. I'm clicking on the Beth page, and right here is really all of the details that can be changed in real time for the application. The website also uses the same data, so we can change it in one spot and we can have virtually everything updated, whether it be the mobile app or the website. So you got things like the service email. This here is currently set to Dan at We Get You There for Beth page, and so Dan would be the one that receives service emails, as well as he would be the guy that would receive any request appointment forms. Additionally, that request appointment also confirms or sends the customer a copy of their request as well. So just a side note there. Phone numbers can be changed, attified, removed. Right in here, we can manage the pictures that are displayed in the mobile app as well as the website right here. I'm going to go back, and now I'm at Mamaroneck. So this is where all of the data comes in. Now the employee directory data, that comes in. I clicked on employees over here, and this right here is where the app gets all of its data for the current employees. So basically what happens is as soon as the customer loads the application on their phone, every time they open it and use it, the first thing it does is it downloads the data from this system right here and gets all that data in real time. So an internet connection is required in order for the app to work, but that ensures that no matter what, the customer always is receiving fresh data. That's the app summary, and hope you enjoyed, and we will talk to you soon. Thank you very much.